Hello IVFC kids! Today we are going to talk about number line. But then, I have to inform you that my Facebook account was disabled just this afternoon. So there is no also messenger. But don't worry, our lessons will be continued. Siguradong mapipilayan tayo dahil nawalan tayo ng major communication, Facebook at saka Messenger. But then, rest assured, meron naman tayong Google Meet at meron tayong YouTube account. Dito lang natin siguro ipagpapatuloy ang ating mga lessons. Ano nga ba ang number line? Yan ay ipapakita natin sa susunod nating mga slides. This is the number line. At the middle is 0. The numbers on the right of 0 are called positive integers. At ang nasa kaliwa naman ng 0 ay tinatawag nating negative integers. Mula sa 0 at pakanan, ito ay lumalaki ang kanyang value. At pakaliwa naman, ito ay lumiliit ang value. Ang pag-uusapan lang natin ay ang mga positive integers. Mula 0 hanggang 100. Tingnan natin kung totoo talagang ang nasa kaliwang bilang ay mas maliit kaysa nasa kanan. Let's take for example 15 and then 20. That's correct. 15 is less than 20. Let's take another example. 28 and 32. Tama! 28 is less than 32. Okay, let's have a short quiz. Item number 1. Which number is greater? The greater number is 42. Kindly repeat. Item number 2. Which number is greater? The greater number is 56. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. Which number is lesser? Number 60 is less than 64. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. Which number is lesser? $66 is less than 75. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. Which number is lesser? $79 is less than 83. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. Which number is greater? "55 is greater than 50. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. Which number is greater? "63 is greater than 57. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. Which number is lesser? "70 is less than 78. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. Which number is greater? "54 is greater than 58. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. Which number is greater? "95 is greater than 90. Kindly repeat. Congratulations kids! Ngayon, marunong na kayong kumilatis kung ano ang greater at less than through the number line. Yayain nyo yung mga classmates nyo. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.